Miami Beach. A red Mini Cooper sits wrecked in a parking garage on 20th Street. What looks like a minor fender bender is about to spiral into a serious felony. According to the arrest report, 34-year-old Irina Sufiullina didn't just smash into parked cars. She attempted to flee the scene with a child on board. In Florida, that upgrades a simple traffic accident to child neglect and leaving the scene. Look at her body language. Unstable, bloodshot eyes, and slurred speech.
Over here, out of the way. Is this your car? Yes. Was that your kid?
No, if you want to ask her,
Was your best friend her?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Do you have your license?
Yes.
Are you injured? Do you need fire rescue?
What?
Are you injured? Are you injured?
No.
What language do you speak?
Rush.
Russian.
Yes.
better?
No, I'm okay. I'm speaking Russian. This is just so like
Yes, I really cannot break.
Say speak with my best friend. They speak Russian. It's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get someone that speaks Russian
Yeah.
so that you understand what I'm saying to you, okay?
No, I understand what you speak. I speak English very well.
Okay, so you understand what I'm
Yes,
saying to you?
everything.
That's your
It's my car.
It's your
yes.
car?
Yes,
Or
it's
dog?
my car and it's my best friend.
Do you remember what happened to your car?
Of course.
Okay.
What's happening? I ask you what's happening.
No, that's not how this works. I'm asking you, do you remember what happened to
Of
your car?
course, everything. This is my car. This is my best friend. This is my baby. Everything. I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yes, everything.
Okay. So, thank you. So we have
I'm sorry.
beautiful.
This is Palette. I'm best friend. My baby, everything like that. I'm everything.
That's your baby?
No, it's your baby. This is my no. It's not my baby. It's her baby.
It's her baby.
Yes.
Okay.
Of course, you cannot say no and I go more and I go to my sushi. It's like it's okay.
A silver Ford
Yeah.
tag.
And I said like, of course, I'm drunk. And I said no. Yes, of course, you just said that. No, and I go. Say no, and I have a no like it's so.
Okay.
Они мне
Yeah, of course. Hey, excuse me. Stand right here. Yeah, just relax.
No, she's my best friend. I'm
I
sorry.
understand that.
Yeah, she's my best
You
friend.
told us that 20 times already.
I'm sorry. Давай, поползешь,
Okay, listen, just close the door, alright? We're gonna close the door.
Скажи, что нормально.
Yeah.
Скажи. Не,
Hey, no.
You're
No, listen to his
I'm
ankles.
sorry.
Well, she needs
They
to
will
get
walk
an
you
Uber.
boys right
Yeah.
in
35 down.
No further information.
Just walk her to the sidewalk.
Okay.
I don't want to
Ma'am,
unnecessary.
come here. Ma'am,
Они
come here.
Они
We're gonna,
просят,
ma'am,
чтобы
we're
закрыли.
gonna walk over to the sidewalk. Listen to me. We're gonna walk over to the sidewalk, okay? Like, lean on this car, okay? Just relax on the car. All right?
Yeah, you can take your bag now. And this is yours.
Yes.
All right. Are you guys injured?
No, not at all.
Are you injured? No. Does anything hurt? No.
Where's my mom's friend?
You're welcome to
She's with my
She's
partner.
right there. Oh.
No.
No.
It's a parking lot. Are you serious?
No, she can go to the ice cream, right?
Absolutely not.
Okay, give me your pen.
You got all her information?
Hers and the baby's, yes.
Okay.
Can I get my phone?
Is it in the vehicle?
Yeah, it's inside.
Grab everything you need from the vehicle.
Right here. Okay, don't move.
Maria, is the
I'll
address
grab
on
it. Stay here.
the address on your ID is the correct address?
Yeah, this is my address. Yes.
From where? Pennsylvania? Okay.
I have these pins.
Okay, baby, you can. Don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
I know you can, okay?
Okay, just get your backpack, okay? Thank you, Mom.
I have these.
Yeah, you have it at home?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this one.
Just hang out right there, okay? Relax.
You like this?
You understand?
Good boy.
Okay. Hello.
Hello, you want me to put my card? Ty nie ruszaj go.
Do you understand these instructions?
Ты
Okay.
понимаешь, что она тебе говорила?
Okay. So with your eyes and your eyes only, you're gonna follow the tip of my pen.
С твоими глазами ты будешь смотреть на это.
Okay.
Oh,
You're not gonna move your head, okay? You're not gonna move your head. Do you understand?
2109.
Okay. So the tip of my pen, all right? Look up, okay? 1,000, 2, 1,003.
Yes, 2109 and 2048, 723, North Macon
Don't
Lane,
move your head.
Ты не рушай головой.
at 1858 Market.
1,001.
Is it safe for her to do it?
1,003, 1,004. Yeah. 1,002. Okay, so I was checking for equal tracking, okay? And any resting nystagmus, all right? Just to make sure that you're
Всё хорошо с
have
тобой?
movement. Okay? You need any fire rescue? Anything like that?
Тебе нужно врача?
You're good?
09
Okay.
report, detain.
All right. You wear any contacts or any glasses? You've sustained a concussion in the past? But do you understand? Okay. All right. So, okay.
Yes,
1,001. Don't move your head.
Глаза.
1,002.
Yes, subject to last seen in front of 1651 Washington Avenue. The rate changed as per FY.
I could still see it.
Yeah. Should I grab her? She's leaning against the
Straight,
pole.
straight, straight.
Стой.
Okay.
Стой.
Let's try this side again. All right. Look at the tip of my pen. The tip of my pen.
Смотри
Right there.
здесь.
Yeah,
Watch this. It's a classic evasion tactic used by impaired suspects, distraction. She ignores direct commands, and tries to construct her own reality.
I wanna pee. I wanna
You
pee.
cannot pee.
We're doing the test right now, okay?
Мы делаем тест.
You could
Когда
pee
мы...
after.
Okay.
Stand straight and still,
Where
okay?
you have to
Don't be
stand.
leaning.
She's leaning
Okay,
forward.
come here. Stay right there. Right there. Perfect. Okay? Straight and still. Arms at your side like that. Okay? No.
Руки здесь.
Like that.
Руки здесь.
Look, I like how I'm doing it. Hands to the side.
Руки.
Like that.
Руки. She's not listening.
Okay, you could pee after. All right?
Yeah.
Do you want to continue doing the test?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we gotta check for another. Look at my pen. Okay?
Тебе нужно посмотреть
Okay? Look up. But don't you keep moving your head.
с твоими глазами, но твою голову. She's
Yeah.
she's not following.
Yeah, I know.
I wanna pee. I wanna pee.
But Florida law is black and white on this. Once a DUI investigation starts, you lose your freedom of movement. Walking away to use the restroom? That is technically resisting an officer without violence, under Statute 843.02. The officer has full authority to control the scene.
I wanna pee. I wanna pee.
You want to go to the jail? That's where we're gonna
I
go.
wanna pee. I wanna pee.
Listen, you're
I
gonna make this
wanna
more
pee.
difficult than it needs to be. Turn
Are you
around.
fucking?
Turn around. Yes, I'm fucking serious.
I wanna pee. I wanna pee. No, fucking. Yo, stop. I wanna pee.
Turn around. Turn
Are you fucking serious? I wanna pee. I wanna pee.
Go around.
I wanna pee. I wanna pee.
The officer's patience is gone. The second she tenses up, the dynamic shifts. Most civilians don't realize this, but tensing your arms to block handcuffs, that justifies immediate force. They take her to the ground to neutralize her legs.
Fucking do it. I wanna pee. I wanna pee right now. What the fucking do it?
Okay, you can stand up now.
Ah!
Stand up, stand up.
No, stop. Please make us.
You're gonna make this more difficult than it actually is.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
Call someone now. Okay, I did call somebody.
Тася, все хорошо, я позвонила мужу.
Stop interacting, or you're gonna end him.
No, he's coming. He's
Okay.
coming right now.
Stand over here.
Yes.
Go with your daughter. Go with your daughter. Go with your daughter.
Baby, please, I'm Russian, make assist. So please, Маша. Oh,
Sit down. Sit down.
But she still has one weapon left. Her feet.
Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Where's the legs?
Her legs are still there. Put your legs inside.
Get inside the car.
I just got another charge.
Маша, выкати с видео,
You need to.
And right here is the mistake that will haunt her for years.
Another charge. Stop taking. Stop. I got a full face. Get So it's been
Stay over there.
Will you take the breath
Right
test?
now, you see what's happened right now? You seriously?
Will you take the breath test?
Oh, look, open for me.
Will you take the breath test?
I'm call my lawyer
Okay,
right
well,
now.
you can call him after.
No,
It's a yes or
I'm
no
call
question.
fucking right now.
Okay, so you don't.
Lawyer.
All right, you don't want to take the breath test?
No. What's the pregnant? Open to me.
Okay, will you take the breath test?
I thought I wanna just lawyer. I just wanna beat him. I just wanna kill him. That I know. I thought I just wanna beat him. I just wanna beat him. I just wanna beat him. Please.
You're having trouble breathing?
Yes, right now.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna call someone. All right.
I don't know.
All right, just give us a second, okay?
I can't believe it. I can't. Open door.
Okay.
Open fucking door. Open door. Do you understand? Open door. Open door. Fucking блядь.
Battery on a law enforcement officer. In Florida, that's a third-degree felony, up to 5 years behind bars. Add in the refused breathalyzer, which is now a criminal misdemeanor in 2025, and the property damage. And this night just became a $20,000 nightmare. The takeaway, call an Uber, it's a hell of a lot cheaper.